Hello everyone, welcome into Fatty's Feast, where we make the best food you'll ever eat without leaving your backyard. My name is Josh. Today we're going to be taking those boring old Thanksgiving turkey leftovers, and we're going to be making a delicious turkey club on the Blackstone Griddle. Let's get started. So you can only eat turkey so much before you start getting sick of it. And if you have some leftovers, maybe you're thinking of something you can do to just change it up a little bit. Well, I'm here today to help you do that. And even though it's blistery cold here in Connecticut and I want to die, it feels like 10 degrees, I'm out here for you guys. I want to show you how you can make a delicious turkey club that's just going to, just change it up a little bit. You can still get rid of some of those leftovers. Now, first of all, the turkey we are using today was smoked on the Patriot Pits Freedom 94. If you haven't checked out that video, I will put a link right here. So we're just using that leftover turkey and we're going to make a simple club. And I hope it goes fast because I'm freezing already and I've been out here 30 seconds. So let's go down to the griddle and get started. First off, throw my bacon down. Now I'm going to be using 6 pieces of bacon today. But as usual, I'm cooking a whole pack because why the hell not? That looks good. Gonna throw down some pepper. And all these zones are on a medium heat. Let me get this bad boy over here. We'll press these down. Now this disgusting looking jam shit is actually butter and rendered fat from when I was cooking the turkey that I put in my drip tray. So I'm gonna throw that on right over here, just a little bit. And that gives off a really nice odor. Next I have my smoked turkey and I'm gonna throw a few pieces right on here. So I'm gonna mix this up just a bit. And I'll push this up here, throw a little more of this goo on top, and then throw the basting cover on. Flip this. And I'm just gonna keep rotating this around to each piece of bacon. Let's see where these are at. Looking good. We can flip these. And one more time. Let's look at this. Give this a nice mix. Now once again, if you couldn't tell, this is pre-cooked turkey, so nothing to worry about. We just got to get it warm. Gonna throw a little bit of Cajun two-step on this, why not? Some added flavor. And some pepper. And just a touch of salt. Mix that up. We'll throw the basting cover back on. Move this over here. And we'll flip our bacons. Switch this. And now I got 3 pieces of sourdough bread. We're just gonna lay this in the bacon fat. Why not? We're gonna let that toast up. Move this around a little bit, get some of that pepper on there. Let's take a look at our turkey. Seems to be looking pretty good. And now as I mix this, I'm just going to sort of like, not grind it up really, but I'm just sort of giving it a little love tap because I want to have little chunks when I put it on this sandwich. So just like so. Just not chopping it, but giving it a little love. And there goes my light. Told you it was windy. So we're looking for like a pulled pork consistency almost. That's looking pretty good. And back on. Let's look at our bread. Looking hot. We can flip that a few more times if we want, but there's some crust on there. All right, I'm going to take this off, all this bacon. Just going to scoop up, put it in a pile right here. Look at that. That's what I love. Nice crispy bacon. Looks good. Throw that on over here. You know what? Why not take some of this grease and just put it on this bread? Why not? It looks delicious. And then one more look at our turkey. Move this out of the way. Oh, the smells. The smells are delicious. So we got that consistency we're liking. Just chopping it up just a little bit. And that's looking pretty good. And that will be perfect for our delicious sandwich. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this turkey. I'm going to split it in half. So for our 2 layers we have. Just about like that. Then I'm going to throw a piece and a half of pepper jack on each side. We're going to let this just heat up and sit there while we assemble our sandwich. So let's go over to the table and make this bad boy up. So first, I got my 3 pieces of bread. I'm going to take my bottom and top, and we're going to start with some mayo. Not the most elegant thing, but that's okay. So we'll just spread this out around bottom bun and the top, or however we do it. I don't really know which one is which. All right, so I just got some lettuce. Let's lay this out like so. However much you want is fine. I'm making a pretty damn big sandwich. Then I got a tomato here, and we cut that in half. And let's get the good parts here. I'm gonna do some pretty nice slices. We can lay this out just like so. Next, I'm doing 3 pieces of crispy ass bacon, and then check this out. Perfect amount of turkey for this. Oh my God, that's amazing. Get some of this in here. Make it a little even. Okay, there we go. But now to take it up a notch, I got some of this horseradish aioli. We're gonna throw some on this piece of bread right here, just for a little added punch. Why not? And then we can throw that on top of here, but we're not done because we have one more layer. Same thing, horseradish aioli, lettuce, tomato, bacon, and last but not least, the turkey. And let's shut her down. And this is gonna be a freaking beast. Let's cut into her. Oh my God, look at this thing. Oh, that's a Thanksgiving sandwich, people, if I've ever seen one. Let's give it a try. All right, I'm gonna make this quick because it's freezing and I want to go eat and I'm dying. So, here we go. I literally can't feel my hands, so it's very hard for me to be excited about this, but this is really, really good. This is taking your Thanksgiving leftovers to the next level. Like, such a simple recipe to make. You can just do this in 10 minutes. It's so cold out here right now that the cheese that was melty and delicious is already like rock solid. So I really need to go back inside. Like, this sandwich is almost cold because it's like 10 out. I'm like dying. But I'll tell you what, if you're making a turkey, whatever way you're doing, you want to keep those drippings because you can, you know, use that to reheat the turkey, add some extra flavor, and then adding this Cajun two-step to it just takes it to another level. It's really good, guys. Like I said, it's hard for me to be excited right now because I want to die. So, oh, in the crust on this bread, this is sourdough bread, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that. But the crust from that bacon fat, I mean, come on. You can't beat that. It tastes like so freaking good. So I hope I was able to give you an idea for something you could do with your Thanksgiving leftovers instead of just eating them on a plate all week. It's really boring. But that'll do it for this episode of Fatty's Feast. If you like what you saw, please smash that like button. Get my content out to more people. Leave a comment telling me things you want to see me make on the Blackstone Griddle or the Patriot Pitts Freedom 94 Smoker. Over here, I'm going to put a video specifically designed for you. You're going to love it. And then over here, I'm going to put my griddle poultry playlist, hours of entertainment just for you. Right in the middle, subscribe if you love me so much. And until next time, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay hungry.